Hey there, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you today how to upload an image to Midjourney and use that image as a prompt instead of a text prompt to create AI-generated images using Midjourney. So to start things off, we're going to be using Discord in order to access Midjourney's AI image generation features. So of course, either have a conversation with the Midjourney bot or have Midjourney available in a Discord server of your choosing. So go to a server where the Midjourney bot is available. From there, you want to click on the plus icon next to the chat box. Then click on Upload a File and go ahead and upload some of the images that we wish Midjourney to scan. After uploading, we want to copy the URL of the image that we've uploaded. We can do this by selecting the image and right-clicking Copy. Next, we can start a command prompt to start generating images with Midjourney. Do this by typing /imagine, then on the prompt box as follows, paste the copied link of the image that we've uploaded there. A cool feature that we can do is after the link, we can also put in more and additional text prompts to create a more defined and exact generation. Just give it a few moments and there you go. As you can see, Midjourney has now created a new AI-generated image using an uploaded image that we've uploaded, of course. It really is as simple as that. Just copy the link of an uploaded image, paste it as the prompt in front of the command line imagine, and there you go. Remember, you are definitely free to add your own text prompts after to really create anything out of your wildest imaginations. And congratulations, you now know how to upload images and use those images as prompts to create AI-generated images. That's all the time we have for this video, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this one. So yet again, thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.